Welcome to our next episode showcasing some of our core Apex features. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Target Homepage. Thanks for coming along. Target Homepage allows merchants to configure unique homepages for certain scenarios. For example, logged out, logged in, or something more specific like certain customer groups. You can even single out individual accounts if you wish, and we'll see an example of that shortly. If we step back for a second, in B2B land, when an end user logs in, there are two obvious landing pages, homepage or my account dashboard. Now, if there's more focus on homepage and you can enforce that redirect after login, then target homepage may be quite useful. So let's have a little look. Right, this is our Apex demo store, and we're currently looking at the trade store view, and we're logged out, and we're on the home page, and this is pretty standard home pages, what you'd come to expect from a home page. You've got a top banner, you've got USPs, you've got category links, you've got more banners promoting maybe new customers, trending products, more landing pages, and some news and events or links to a blog. So that's all grand. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log in as an end user, and I am part of a company called Stellar. And if I log in and I select one of my child accounts, you can see the content has changed quite significantly. And this is an example of target homepage. Now, it's a bit extreme. We've showed the company name here, but that's just for example. But we've got a different banner. Now we've got more kind of my account calls to action, maybe some similar links, and then maybe some offers, personalized offers specific to this account. So that's a good example of a target home page. We're going to now look at how that is actually configured in the backend, or what we call admin panel. And if we go into content here and we go into target homepage, so this is the base configuration area. I'm not going to go into great detail here. I'm just going to do a quick kind of intro summary. But you can see here your default homepage is a logged out homepage, which we already seen. And then we've got two target rules set up here. We have the Trade Stellar solutions target homepage, which is what we just seen when we logged in. And we also have another quite generic one, which is logged in users. So I want to just go back to the Trade Stellar Solutions one, because that is actually a customer segment. Because we targeted a specific account, we actually set up what's called a customer segment first. So we'll just have a little look at that. And customer segments, as the name suggests, allows you to enter conditions that would specifically match certain accounts. Now, in this scenario, we've actually gone straight in and matched it with the parent company account. But you may want to do things like company child account groups. And that we will cover in another episode. And it's quite powerful. So it allows you to group parents or company child accounts together. So in this scenario, if we go back to target homepage, we could target a specific group of accounts. Now, we just logged in to one particular company account, which was Stellar. But if we go back to that homepage and log out, let's just log in as a generic account, not specifically targeted, but targeted just with a more general logged in. So we're logged out, and now we're going to come back in and we're just going to select this account. So we logged in, and if we come back to the home page, you can see that the home page is, the content has changed. For this demo purposes, I just changed the top banner. But you can see, for example, all logged in accounts would have more specific call to actions for their account. But it can obviously be tailored for whichever group or targeted account you wish to aim for. So that's a quick demo of target homepage. You've seen quite a few features coming together here today. The target homepage rules themselves. The content on the homepage is actually being driven by an external CMS tool, Storyblock. And we've also seen customer segmentation, which connects nicely in with company accounts and company child account functionality. So thanks for watching. And just to add, no AI was used or harmed in the making of this video. That will be a future episode coming very soon. So until the next time, take care.